Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the hard drive in a Toshiba satellite laptop. All you're going to need is your Toshiba satellite laptop, the hard drive that you're going to replace, and a small Phillips head screwdriver. First, you want to disconnect your power supply and remove the battery. This is so we don't have any electrical mishaps. Now, on the back of this machine, you will see there are two main panels. This one houses the RAM and a few other things, and this one houses the hard drive. So this is what we're going to remove. There are two screws right here. We're going to loosen those, and then the panel will pop right out. And that is what your hard drive case looks like. There are 4 screws, one in each corner, and a connector. This actually is the part that connects the hard drive to the computer. So to remove the hard drive, you just need to slide it out like that. Now, to get the connector, we need to remove the case because these metal parts are holding it on. So to do that, we need to remove these 2 skinny screws and these 4 fat screws. You're not really going to watch me loosen screws, are you? You can probably skip ahead a few seconds. I'm not really going to talk about anything important. And yeah, I'm a little too lazy to edit this because I hate video editing. It's so tedious. And the program that I use, well, I haven't found any program that works the way I want it to. They all screw up my sound, or they add weird little glitches in between transitions. So I'm just gonna do this raw, and you can watch me turn a screwdriver over and over again. Okay, now that we have all 6 screws out, we can just pop the cover right off and then slide the connector out. Now take our replacement hard drive and line up the short and the long part of that with the short and the long part of this. And just pop it on there, like so. Now technically we could put this in just as it is, but that would be kinda dumb. We want the case protecting it and holding the connector on. So we're just going to pop it on, and we're going to put the screws back in. Now, there are a few superfluous screw holes on the sides that are just there to accommodate different types of cases. We're not going to worry about them because they don't fit our case. So maybe the one you're using at home is different than mine, and you will use the different holes. I don't know. Okay, skinny screws go in the front. fat screws go on top. Then we're going to put this back in and slide it just like it was before. Well, rather like the other one was. Then you see the panel has these two prongs, so we're going to slide those in like that, pop it down, and then tighten the screws. And that is how you replace the hard drive on a Toshiba satellite. It's probably pretty similar on most other laptops, but this is the specific one that I had on hand. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Thanks. Bye.